In this video, I will show you how you can restart or reboot your Galaxy A37 or the A57. And there are a couple of different ways you can restart or reboot your phone. For the first method, just open the quick settings, and over here you will find the power icon. Now just tap on it and you will open the power menu, and from here you can restart your phone. And similarly, you can use the buttons on your phone to open the power menu. For that, just grab your Samsung phone and press and hold the power button and the volume down button to open the power menu. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down button, and the power menu will appear on the screen. And from here, just tap on restart to restart your phone. If you want to open the power menu by just pressing and holding on the power button instead of the two button combination, then just open settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on advanced features. From here just tap on side button, then tap on long press, and on this page just select power off menu. And after you do that, then you will be able to open the power menu by just pressing and holding on the power button, just like that. Now if you want to restart your Samsung phone without using the touchscreen, for an example, let's say if your screen is frozen and if you want to restart your phone, so in that case, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. But by doing this, you will basically perform a forced restart on your phone. So just press and hold on the power button and the volume down button at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And this is how you can restart or reboot your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.